Hey everyone, in this video I'm walking you through making a QR code right inside Canva, totally free. It's super quick and easy. Let's jump in. First things first, just head to canva.com. Alright, we need to find Canva's QR code tool. So, look over at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Apps. Once you're in the Apps section, type QR code into the search bar up top. You'll spot a few options pop up. We want the very first one, just called QR code. It's the one made by Canva itself. Go ahead and click that to open it up. Now, it'll ask if you want to use it in a new design or add it to something you're already working on. For this, I'll make a fresh custom design. I like using 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels for a nice square layout, so I'll type that in. Once your design opens, you'll see a box where you paste the link you want the QR code to point to. Let's say I want mine to go to YouTube, so I copy the YouTube website address and paste it right into that field. When your link is in there, hit the Generate Code button. Canva will whip up the QR code linked to your URL instantly. You can then grab the corners and resize it to fit nicely in your design. If you plan to download it and use it somewhere else later, I usually stretch it out as big as I can within the space. After you've got it sized right, look up to the top right corner and click Share. Then, choose Download. Make sure PM is selected and click the Download button. That's it. You've got yourself a nice, clean QR code ready to use in any design, social media graphics, posters, business cards, you name it. Hope you found that useful. If you did, giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel really helps me out. Drop a like in the comments too, so I can personally thank you for watching.